my channel. Today I decided to film an eye tutorial for you, and in today's tutorial I will be using the Morphe 35O palette. This of course is another palette that has basically been forgotten on YouTube, and if you own it, hopefully this tutorial helps you out. If you don't own it, do remember that you can simply replace the colors that I'm using for some that are similar or for some that you already own. Anyhow, without any delays, let's jump into the tutorial. Hey there, welcome. Now that we are up close and personal, we can start this tutorial. And we are going to start by taking a light transition shade. The first color that we are going to apply is this color right here. I will be applying that color to a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to spread that color around my crease. I do want to quickly mention that I already had my eyelids primed. I applied just simple concealer and I set that with translucent powder. The reason I started creating tutorials by using older palettes is because, of course, when we buy a palette, we want to continuously use it. Now, with a smaller blending brush, I am going to apply this orange color right here. And this color, I will be applying it a little tighter around my crease. I don't want to take this color too far up. And now with the same exact brush, I'm going to apply this color right here. And this is just a brick red. Now with this color right here, I will be blending the rest of the colors out. For the lid shade, I will be applying this brown color right here with a flat brush, and I am going to spray some setting spray on it so that it can intensify the color. With my smaller blending brush, I am going to be applying this color right here very close to my crease. I am going to use this color to marry my lid shade to everything else going on my eyelid. Now I am going to go back to my big fluffy blending brush and I'm simply going to go over everything with it. I am not going to add any additional color or pigment to the brush. I'm simply going to make sure that everything is very well blended. And so far, this is what we have. Now we are going to work on our lower lash line. The first color that I'm going to be applying close to my lower lash line is this color right here. And I'm simply going to apply it with this small pencil brush. And so far, this is what we have. So now I am going to be applying a mascara, eyeliner, and highlighter, and I'll be back in a flash. For eyeliner, I did apply the Essence Eyeliner Pen in Waterproof. For mascara, I used the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And last but not least, for lipstick, I did apply the Bite Beauty Mistletoe Lipstick. And this, I believe, was a limited edition. We've come to the end of this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that bell button for notifications. I'll see you around next time. Goodbye.